now leave Mr. Kibuloy to the judiciary, to the judicial system. And siyempre, babantayan natin na tama naman ang nangyayari, na lahat ng kanyang karapatan, walang nasasagasaan dun sa karapatan niya, wala namang ibabaliwala sa kanyang kahilingan, kung ano man yun. But again, there is no special treatment. Although he's a very prominent person, we actually, hindi na, kahit na may magsabi na gawin natin special treatment, hindi namin alam gawin yun eh. We don't know what special treatment is. So we will treat him like any other arrested person and respect his rights. And we will go through the process. The process will be transparent. Everyone who is involved will be accountable. And we will demonstrate once again to the world that our judicial system in the Philippines is active, is vibrant, and is working.